Hey YouTube, this is Champion Kid Fred with Barefoot Adventures, and I hit 50 subscribers, and as I promised, I'm going to do a giveaway, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. Again, like I said, I'm Fred with Barefoot Adventures, and I want to thank every single one of you subscribers. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't even have this channel, and I appreciate every one of you going out of your time to watch my videos, because you don't have to, and I appreciate every single one of you. Now, make sure you subscribe below, and in order to be eligible for the giveaway, you gotta leave a positive comment in the below in the comments, and I will take all you guys' comments. I'll take all your names and I'll put them in a hat and I'll draw. And whoever wins will get a gift card to coffee place, food place, somewhere you guys will like. I'm probably gonna do a gift card to the coffee place. So just stay tuned and you'll find out at the end of the month is when I draw the name. So don't forget, subscribe, share, thumbs up, leave a comment, and you'll be eligible for the giveaway. So I hope you enjoy my videos. I've been at this for a month. Thanks again for all the 50 subscribers that I got, and I'm hoping to get another 50 and do another giveaway at 100, and then so on and so on. Okay, and my videos will get better. I just launched a video on something that I just bought to help my videos, so pay attention, look at the next videos, and they will get better and better, I promise. Alright? Thank you guys, and I see you out there by the campfire. Bye.